Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 lipsticks that every woman should consider buying in 2023. The first lipstick on our list is the Liquid Matte Lipstick. This type of lipstick provides a long-lasting and pigmented matte finish that is perfect for any occasion. The second lipstick is the Satin Lipstick. This type of lipstick provides a creamy and moisturizing finish with a subtle shine. It's great for everyday wear and for those who want a more natural look. Next is the Glossy Lipstick. This type of lipstick provides a high shine finish that is perfect for a night out or special occasion. The fourth lipstick on our list is the Tinted Lip Balm. This type of lipstick provides a moisturizing and sheer coverage that is perfect for everyday wear. Another great option is the Metallic Lipstick. This type of lipstick provides a bold and shiny finish that is perfect for a night out or special occasion. So, these are the top 5 lipsticks that every woman should consider buying in 2023. Keep in mind that there are many other types of lipsticks available, such as sheer, opaque, cream, and frosted, so it's a good idea to experiment with different types to find what works best for you. Also, consider your skin tone and the occasion you'll be using the lipstick for when choosing a shade. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.